Okay, so today I'm leaving Tokyo, Japan, heading up to Himeji, and there's a castle up there that I really want to see. It's supposed to have some really awesome cherry blossoms around. Hey, this is historic Tokyo Station, and this is on the west side actually, where I just got dropped off at. Actually, I'm actually going to head over to the east side. Okay, so when you look here, mine is actually the blue icon right there. Okay, so I'm actually using the QR ticket that I got last night, and hopefully I can get through here, right here. I did. It worked. See, I got a choice, so I think I will take the 648, which brings me to the same area. Getting off right here. This is my stop after almost 3 hours. So far the weather's looking pretty fair. Still a lot of chance of rain though. Okay, so there is my hotel, which I will probably not be able to check in for quite a while, but at least I can drop my pack off and then head to the castle, because I'm only here for only a day. So you can actually see the castle in the distance. Actually, I've been pretty good with the weather so far. When I was coming up on the train, it was really raining on some of the areas that I was passing through, and I go, wow, I got something to look forward to. This is the castle outskirts guidance, and it tells me exactly where I'm at. So here we go. Let's go check this out. So far it looks to be some pretty good blossom up ahead, so you got a pretty good moat around it. There it is in the distance. Get another look over here, just over this bridge. It's right there. through the ticket, 2,600 yen. And so far, so good.
Shoes bag.
Shoes?
Just in.
Oh, okay, okay, thank you.
You want that back?
So beautiful. Just seeing these trees alone. And here is that they're doing a little bit of construction along the way. This is a nice one right here. So beautiful. Inside the castle grounds coming up. And if you made it this far in the video, tell me what you think about this castle. I think it's awesomeness. This must be one of the first entrants to it. Area right here. So far, it's looking pretty good. Reminds me of a lot of the temples that I've been through. Seeing stuff like this historically invigorates me to a real joy to see this. And look at that structure up there. It's really something. All right, I'm getting down the right way maybe. Exit this way. Get kind of a good view right here. See the ceiling, how well it is. This one. Some ancient artifacts here. A little bit of history right there. Okay. So imagine that, just as I leave the castle, it starts raining. So the timing couldn't be any better, really. See, my little umbrella did come in handy after all. So it's absolutely pouring rain out there. So we'll check this little area right here. This is not far from my hotel. It worked out really well because I wasn't looking forward to seeing the castle if the weather was actually like this. So there was a chance of rain, and here it is. God was watching over me. Now I'm in this nice protected mall. I think you can hear the rain. And that's what you get when you first arrive. A little bit bigger than my last room. I'm only here for one night. Let's see what the bathroom looks like. Bathroom is always very nice. Let's see what kind of view we have. Not that it matters. Alright. Got a view of the train station where I was at earlier today.